Hello friends, welcome back. I am C. Raman Mamani. Today we are going to discuss about Ashahi Songwon Colors Limited. This is the latest annual report of the company in which the company has given its profile. The company is registered on BSE and NSE. It was established in 1990. Its headquarters is in Ahmedabad. They are in the business of patrocinine, pigment and derivative products. They have written our products are used in manufacturing ink, paint, plastics, textiles and paper. Now let us see the shareholding pattern of the company. For this we are on the BSE's website. The shareholding pattern as on 31st December 2020, and first we will be looking at the shareholding pattern of the promoter and promoter group. Here you can see Arun Gokul Jai Krishna is holding 0.23% share in the company, and Gokul Jai Krishna is holding 0.08% share in the company. Apart from this, there are two trusts, Durgesh Jai Krishna Family Trust and Gokul M Jai Krishna Family Trust. They are holding 42.52% and 21.75%. So in total, promoter and promoter group are holding 64.59% share in the company. Now let us also see the public shareholding of the company. Only one foreign portfolio investor is holding this share, and that too was only 0.24% share in the company. Only one financial institution is holding this share, and that too only 7 shares. So no mutual funds is holding this share, and in total public shareholding is 35.41% share. So we are already saw that no mutual funds are holding this share. Now let us see the income statement of the company. So we are on Money Control's website. Friends, just a disclaimer, I am not promoting this website. You can use any other website, whatever you like. Here on Money Control you can find income statement, and we'll see the annual figures of last 5 years starting from March 2016 till March 2020. So the sales was, all these figures are in crore of rupees. So in 2016 it was 223, in 2017 it was 253, in 2018 it was 292, in 2019 it was 293, and in 2020 it was 283. So you can see after 2018 the company is not growing. The sales was 2000, the sales in 2018 was 292 crores, and in 2020 it was 283 crores. So it is actually decreasing. Let us also look at the profits. So the profits was, in 2016 it was 20 crores, 2017 27 crores, 2018 23 crores, then 18 crore and 22 crore. So here also you can see after 2018 the profits are actually decreasing. Let us also look at the quarterly figures. Here we will be discussing last 5 quarters starting from December 2019 to December 2020. So here it was 58, then 71, 57, 62 and 72. The profits are 3 crore, 6 crore, 9 crore, 7 crore and 8 crore. So you can see the profits are increasing in the latest quarters. It has been performing well in the last 3 quarters. Let us also look at the growth ratios. So if you look at the 3-year CAGR sales, the percentage growth was, in 2016 it was minus 1.79%, in 2017 it was minus 8.39%, in 2018 it was 10.51, in 2019 it was 4.51, in 2020 it was 5.78. And if you look at the CAGR of net profit, then it was 42.31, 37.09, 14.19, then minus 6.61 and minus 8.77. So if you look at the last 2 years, the profits is actually reducing. and sales is also reducing. So according to me, it is not a good company at this moment to invest in this company because the net profit is going down. It is reducing. Thank you friends.